Hello, this is your Digit Extension Worker, and today I'm going to show us how we can copy or transfer data from the machine that is 4940 onto our USB flash drive. In with, you may not necessarily need to switch on the machine, just you turn on the switch like this. This is the key, you turn on the switch like this. The machine will not start, but you will be able to access the screen. You give it some time, it is loading. These John Deere machines take some good time to load, to boot. The screen has fast boot. Then you keep skipping all these. We don't need them just for us. We want the screen to load, and we do what we want. These are the notifications but currently that is not our point of interest. You keep skipping. Then when the screen loads like this, you have your USB drive. Normally we prefer to have fast USB drives that can copy very fast. Then at the screen, when you see your screen very well, it has USB ports. I don't know if you can be able to see them. Yeah, there are two on your right side of the screen, the LCD of the 4940. We have to, normally they have a cover, but this one has been peeled off, it is no longer there. So after your screen has loaded like this, you get your flash drive, insert it very well like this way. This is mine is 128 GB. So you get your USB drive, you insert it into the ports like this very well. Yeah. After putting it in, the screen is going to read it, and it will give you these options. We have export data, import data. The next is no global prescription or shape files found on USB, and lastly is import guidelines lines. But what we want is to skip this. We skip those notifications, we don't need them. What we want is to export data. Exporting is we are transferring data which has been recorded by the screen in the previous activities, possibly the farms where it has sprayed, the rates they were using, the times they were spraying and finishing. The importance of copying data is to, like somebody, a farm manager who is not always on the sprayer with the operator, but you want to know, did really this sprayer move? If it moved, at what rate? Like as our spraying order was saying, let's say for us we wanted to spray 70 liters per hectare. Did this operator really do spray 70 hectares per hectare, or they sprayed maybe 100? So you want to be sure of what the operator did with the machine, because the machine cannot lie. Whatever is placed in, let's say the chemicals they were using, if they skipped, they lied you that they used maybe they like read out and you were spraying, and somebody possibly stole the readout and did not use it. The sprayer will tell you that this one is lying, because it will be having the information the way it was put in. So that is the importance of copying what the machine did, or what the work it did, and which chemicals were put in, at which rate, which blocks did they spray, from what time to what time. And that can help you as you trace, for in case there is an emergence of weeds, or the pests you've sprayed have not died. You have to come and confirm, did these people really spray? Because you may give a chemical to a person or an operator to go and spray, they end up spraying into another field of somebody, and they come when the tank is empty. So there is no way you're going to be sure until you come you copy the data and you analyze it in the operation center. So today we are just going to talk about how to copy. Other things we shall be discussing on in our subsequent series that we are going to be talking about. Then after these options have come, we are going to export from the machine to the flash. So you tap on export data. This machine is 4940 number 3. In case it is your very first time and maybe you have very many machines on the farm, it will give you, when you tap on this drop down menu, it will show you the machines that you've been using. So you select the one, because remember also when we are getting this information, you have to be accurate. When you mix the data for 4940 number 3 into 4940 number 1, it will confuse you when you're analyzing. So you have to be keen and know the machine that you're going to copy data from. So for our case, it is 4940 number 3. So when you've confirmed the exact data, like how it should be named, you press begin. It will take a while, and you have to be patient waiting as it copies, depending on how much, like the size of the machine. If if the data is too much, of course the hours will be more. It will prolong the process of copying. But if the data is small, like as we are seeing on our screen, it will eventually not take so long to copy fast and finish. So you have to be patient. I see the notification that is there. The external memory is in use. You will be notified when the transfer is complete. Do not disconnect power or remove the USB. So we be patient, we wait, and be patient as we wait for when it finishes. It will bring a notification. These ones we are skipping because that is not our point of concern. Those are for the mechanics. Yeah, our machine is it is copying to the USB drive. It is taking a little longer because of the data we might be having on the machine. This one we don't need. It is showing us the problems the machine have, but for us we are copying what we want, the information, the data which the machine has been working on. So we keep skipping. We just want to keep on track. The reason why I'm skipping all those notifications is that we keep seeing what our screen is displaying. As you can see, it is moving slowly. That shows that the data which is being copied, we've not copied for a while, so it has to go slowly until it covers what we shall be needing to upload in our operation operations center. Finally, we see it is completing now the whole of it. It shows it is green, and after that it brings a notification, data transfer complete. You don't remove your USB drive until you see this notification, data transfer complete. Remove the USB device to continue display operation. So when this comes, you gently remove your USB drive like that. Then the information we wanted has already been copied. Then after removing, it shows it it displays this. We have setup, summary, activators, memory, and erase data. There are cases only you would want to, like the memory of the machine is full, you want to create more space, there you have to delete. But for now, this space is enough for us to be working with, so we are not going to delete any data from the machine. That will be for our next episode. Thank you so much. I hope it has been helpful to us, and we can now know how we can download or get data from our machine after the operation. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and keep with us to get more and interesting technology updates in this generation we are in. Share and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.